In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timeline in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to visualize a task's start and end dates with a clean, easy-to-read timeline column so your projects stay organized and on track. Start by heading to Monday.com and signing into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if your organization uses more than one. You'll want to open the specific board where you plan to track timelines. On the left side, you'll see your boards listed. Click the board you want so the main table opens in the center. Once your board is open, look along the top where your columns live. At the far right edge of your columns, you'll find a small plus icon to add a new column. If you don't see it right away, scroll horizontally to the end of your column list. Click that plus icon to open the column center. This menu shows all the different column types you can add to your board. From the column options, choose timeline. If your menu is crowded, you can type timeline into the search field to find it quickly. Adding a timeline column is different from a single date column because it lets you set both a start and an end date, which is ideal for tasks that span multiple days or weeks. You'll now see the new timeline column added to your board. To set dates for an item, click inside an empty cell in that timeline column. A date range picker will open. Select your start date first, then your end date. If the task only takes one day, choose the same date for both start and end. You can use the navigation arrows to move between months, and you can always clear or adjust the dates later if plans change. As soon as you make a selection, Monday.com saves it automatically. There's no extra save button to press. A few tips to keep things tidy. Consider renaming the column to something clear, like project timeline or sprint window, by clicking the column header and editing the title. If you want the timeline to appear earlier in your board, drag the column header left or right to reorder it. Remember that the timeline column works best when paired with clear item names and statuses, so you can quickly see what's planned, in progress, or done. That's it. You've added a timeline column and set date ranges on your items. Use this to align schedules, spot overlaps, and communicate timing across your team with confidence.